everyone loves Main Street Village because it's a little bit of everybody's hometown.
Well, I think one of the special things about Main Street Village is all of the retailers and all the businesses are family-owned and independent.
Main Street is a very special village because we're all unique. It's a wonderful shopping experience, and we have wonderful restaurants, and it's where all the locals come to meet, greet, and shop.
It's just a small community, and if you're looking for a small community, this is probably the best one out there. It's just so homey and wonderful. We really enjoy it.
Well, Hilton Head is just a small, big city.
I chose Main Street Village to open my shop because I wanted to attract to the locals. I wanted to have a place for the locals to shop.
We're located right outside of the gate of Hilton Head Plantation and right across the street from Indigo Run. A short hop from the schools, the grocery stores, so it makes it a really convenient place to shop.
Well, the personal attention that we can give and follow-up, the personal follow-up that we can because these people come regularly. They come back, the visitors. They like us once, they come back twice.
I would describe Main Street Village local, fun, friendly.
Main Street Village is a little piece of friendly neighborhood USA.